Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi 11X Pro 5G. On the front, you can see the name and image of the phone. And at the back, specifications of the phone. So let's open the box. First, you can see this lid. Inside this lid, we have SIM ejector tool and documentation like user guide. Next, you get a silicone protective cover. In addition, the company also provides USB Type-C to 3.5mm headphone adapter. Here we have the Xiaomi Mi 11X Pro 5G. It gets a 20 megapixel selfie shooting lens on the front, which promises detailed images. At the back, Xiaomi has incorporated a 108 megapixel AI triple camera setup. The phone comes in celestial silver color with matte finish. Next, we have a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone. And here is the 2-pin wall charger powered by a 67-watt fast charging facility. So guys, that's all you get inside the Xiaomi Mi 11X Pro 5G box. Thank you so much for watching this video.